put my way overture now. Is I think I want to make, for right now, a very bare bones TCG game. I think right now the name of it's going to be maybe Hime Strike. I don't know yet. I can't go into details because I don't want anyone stealing the really good idea I kind of have. Not a crazy idea, just a good idea. So it won't be touched as of yet. But oh my god, when I'm telling you I'm really excited right now, because it might mean I have like an actual IRL TCG game, and like the vision I have for it already, I'm pumped. I'm so pumped. Yes. There are gonna be three types of character cards. So the bare minimum is gonna take me 6 different characters for a demo that I would like to do. This one's gonna take a lot more time. So again, no rush. No rush. Yeah, trading card game. I want this game to translate IRL and in game. I hate playing TCG games that do not transfer over. It's like watching Yu-Gi-Oh! Or because I didn't watch Yu-Gi-Oh! Like that. Or watching Bakugan. I don't remember how many of you guys watch Bakugan, and then you would see a card get played a certain way in the show. What is it, like Pot of Greed? Isn't that like the Yu-Gi-Oh! Like meme cards? That Pot of Greed is like a completely different card IRL. They go, oh my god, I summon Dragonoid and he's got Raging Fire. Raging Fire lets Dragonoid attack first, fly up into the air, and then do a little explosion move, or yada yada. And then like the real card is like +2 attack. So I'm gonna try to keep them level to the same thing. But yes, I have a mixture of an idea. There's an old anime that popped in my head yesterday when I was thinking about it. I told you guys I wanted to see what my next project might be in my head. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. And I even already have card design-ish. Check it. Check it. So this should be pretty fun, man. I can't go any more detail. I can't let you guys know anything else. I gotta make sure I have the backbone almost done. So that way if anybody says, I have an idea too, I can say you've tried robbing me, okay? I can't put it out in the atmosphere yet, but I'm so freaking pumped. I'm so freaking pumped. Which also means I can play it with people at conventions if I get it done. I asked for an estimated time from ChatGPT of how long it thinks, based off the amount of time I put into the match 3 game, it would take me to make it. And I think it aims somewhere around like 1 to 3 months. Especially because my speed on the match 3 was pretty high, as long as I keep myself motivated. So, yeah. Again, so, for any of you guys who are curious on how you can help with any of the war fronts, now I can give my shout out to Dylan. Dylan decided to help us and give, I think, probably another $5 to the game development side. If you check out my coffee right now, I had to make this for the convention. My coffee currently has a section to allow people to, what's the word I'm looking for? Donate. Oh, he sent $10 in. Shout outs to him. Someone say funds. I'm gonna put it up at the top. Right now, it's an $1,000 goal. I'm not expecting you to pay the whole $1,000. This is an overtime thing. Don't rush yourself on any of those. But there is currently a goal up on my coffee. Okay, you want me to do it like this? I can do it this way. Oh, wait, yes it did. Oh, okay. There's currently a goal up on my coffee, as well as you can get the first 5 copies of Beautiful Dread. I might have to order them again for you guys in chat, but that shouldn't take too long since it's already been done, like a week or 2. But Beautiful Dread is now up on my coffee, the physical copy, and as well, the donation link for Fix 'em Up donations. This is gonna go for music, voice acting, development, marketing, and then etc. Any funds that I use for myself, I'll probably try to like make sure that's very last. The majority of it should be going straight to like game development stuff. So any purchases that it needs for like voice acting for characters, for music, I said I'd probably end up hiring Darius because he's pretty good at his music, one of our members in the community. Maybe getting other artists to do what's the word I'm looking for? other artists basically do different illustrations throughout the game. I have to make some illustrations myself, so some of our next Mondays might end up turning into that. And then marketing is always a pain in the butt. That's one of the strongest or hardest fronts to hit. So either learning some marketing, hiring a person to market, or end up getting products to share and give out. And who knows, I might give them to you guys to give out too. So that's that. Thank you guys so much, man. It's thanks to you guys and your positive reinforcement. It helps. I at least know at bare minimum, I got a couple of people that are going to enjoy something. And I can try my best to make it as enjoyable as possible for at least the chat room, man. You guys have been very helpful with the comics. Some of you I met in person. Shout out EA. Shout out Random. And then other you guys are buying online first comics or when we